Hello, today's video is an unboxing and first impression video, and I will be trying and smelling for the first time my new perfume from the House of Sillage or Sillage. I got this beautiful, my first perfume from the House of Sillage, and this is Disney Minnie, and today we are going to be unboxing it and smelling it for the first time. This is a first impression video. This is the first time I purchased a fragrance from this House of Sillage or Sillage, the Minnie Mouse fragrance. And this is a new fragrance as I understand, and it's supposed to be out of stock. And I ordered it with the 30% off promotion that they had. And when I ordered it, the system said that it was going to be shipped by December. But it surprised me the next day when I saw my email and I found out that they have shipped my order. And I was thinking, what's going on here? This is supposed to be out of stock until December. So I was expecting this for December, but it was shipped to me really fast. So I don't know if it's out of stock or it's just a marketing strategy. But I'm happy that I have it here with me. I wanted to order it because I like the notes listed on this fragrance. Plus right now is very popular, and I think it's perfect. It's also according to the notes and the description. This is perfect for this fall and winter season. So I'm going to smell it and see how it smells. Also, like I mentioned, this is a blind buy. I never smelled this fragrance before, since this is I guess new. So they sent me the package in this box, and I was very happy to see that it comes really well pack. And also I like the fact that it has the tape with the fragile and handled with care tape on it. And the box is big and it comes very well packed, so I really like to see that. And this type of bubbly packaging or cushioning I really like, because it keeps the things really safe. And I'm glad they are taking care of their customers that way, because these products are really expensive and supposed to be a luxurious item. So I'm really glad that they pack the things well, so the customer receive them in good condition. I recently did a video from a short unboxing video of a product from Saks Fifth Avenue. It is the second time that I received the packaging damage, and I haven't returned the items. I kept them because the bottle is in good condition. And I understand when we order online, we take the risk. But I think the companies, they should take care of their customer and pack the things in a way that the product inside is in good condition when it reaches the customers. So I am really happy to see the House of Sillage pack the items, really pack their fragrances very well. So a big point on that. It has a lot of cushioning plastic, but it's okay. They also gifted me these I think these are samples. I don't know if they are travel. I think this is samples from the collection Whispers in the Garden from the House of Sillage. Yeah, I think it's, we'll see in a little bit. And also for the purchase, they also add this little Passion de l'Amour sample, one more sample. And all these brochures. This one is a little sample, paper sample of the fragrance Sweet Atelier. Oh, I would like to try Sweet Dreams. And they gifted me a gift bag, and it comes with a paper inside. But this is for me. I think I'm going to put it in here for Christmas. And there is one more bag. This bag for like and also this shopping bag. Disney House of Sillage shopping bag. I really like this bag, especially because I'm trying to avoid plastic bags. And I really like the packaging of this fragrance. It's very neat. It's big and it's very well protected. It comes also with this plastic. It's a cushion plastic. And the box open from here, and you need to be very careful because it can fall. The logo is here on the top of the box, and then here is another little card. Let's see what this little card says here in the bottom. There's a pocket with this card. Disney House of Sillage. Congratulations, you are now the exclusive owner of this Minnie Mouse limited edition fragrance from our Disney Mickey and Minnie collection by House of Sillage. This delightful and sweet fragrance will transport you to the excitement of entering the magical world of Disney and all the delectable treats it has to offer, with notes such as marshmallow, ooh, raspberry, caramel, ooh, coconut, and vanilla. This charming scent will certainly bring you joyful smiles to those around you. Oh my God, those letters are so small. Also, it says dynamically presented in a playful mini bow silhouette design cap and embellished with diamond cut Swarovski crystals. A hallmark of innovation and elegance. The bottle is crafted from the finest quality French glass and hand painted in a mesmerizing ombre effect. Disney House of Sillage. Oh my God, look at this beauty. It's so heavy. Look at this. Wow. I am so happy I have this beauty with me now. I thought I was going to embrace it until December. Look at this. It has a lot of crystals here and also on the other side. And the bow. This is so cute. I hope it smells as good as it looks like. It doesn't smell nothing, so that means it's completely new. And it's not leaking at all. And the cap is really heavy. I don't know. It's almost probably a pound. It's very, very heavy. And the top is like, as you can see, is black and red. It feels so good to the touch because it's heavy, very luxurious feeling. But it's also cute. Let's smell it and see how it smells. The moments of truth. I like the sprayer. The first thing I feel when I spray it was is the raspberry and the vanilla. So this is a vanilla. This is to me a vanilla based fragrance. To me, it smells more like vanilla at the beginning. Oh, wow. At the beginning, I felt the raspberry and the vanilla, but the vanilla is prominent in this fragrance. Smells really good. I still don't feel the caramel. I'm gonna wait a little bit. But wow, it smells delicious. You know, I'm not an expert, fragrance expert. I mostly buy fragrances because my channel is beauty oriented and I like everything beauty. And I really do like to share my first impression on this type of product. So I am not an expert in fragrances. If you're looking a more experienced opinion on fragrances, there is a lot of experienced people who can give you probably more input about these fragrances. Today I'm going to share only my first impression and from a consumer point of view, not from an expert. Let's apply a little bit on the other side. I still don't. Maybe now that it's drying on my left arm when I apply it the first time, I can feel a little bit the caramel. I thought I was going to feel more caramel, but I feel more vanilla and raspberry. But it smells elegant. This fragrance smells elegant. If you like vanilla fragrances with a touch of fruit, this will be good for you. It's a little bit sweet, but it's not intoxicatingly sweet. I really like it. The first impression is positive on this fragrance. I won't tell you go around and buy it. That is up to you. I'm just telling you right now that I like it and there is a good fragrance. It's very elegant. If somebody smells you, they're gonna think you are a person with good taste and maybe with money. I'm gonna apply a little bit here because I really like it. The vanilla comes right at the beginning to me. So this is to me a prominent vanilla fruity fragrance. Sweet but not too sweet. And if you like vanilla fragrances, you will like this one. This is not just the plain vanilla, but it's a fruity vanilla, sweet vanilla. I still don't smell the caramel or the coconut. But I can tell you this fragrance smells good and elegant and I think it's worth the price. And right now is 30% off and they say it's back order, but I bought it on back order until December and it came in 3 days. So they have a very fast shipping and I like that. This fragrance is really good. To me, it smells very like a vanilla, fruity vanilla in an elevated way. I really like it. I'm very happy to have this new fragrance in my collection, and I'm gonna use it a lot during this fall and winter season. And I'm very picky with vanillas, but this fragrance smells so good that it makes me feel like one of those sexy, well-dressed women who comes with her long hair and smelling good and sexy. And this fragrance makes me feel like that. Makes me feel like one of those women who is driving a very luxurious car. smelling good and fresh and smelling like juicy and fruity and sexy. I don't know, that's how it makes me feel. It's a really good fragrance and and I like it. I'm glad I have it in my collection. And the next one I wanna try from this house is this called Sweet Dreams, this pink cupcake. I was reading the notes on that fragrance, and I think that's another one that I will probably like. And right now, I think the Sweet Dreams is on special price, but I'm not gonna get it right now. I'm going to wait a little because I just got this one, and I have a few that I'm going to do a haul soon, a fragrance haul for you. And I'm gonna wait a little to get the Sweet Dreams. But this one, oh my God, smells so good. It smells delicious. Wow, I know when I'm gonna wear this. And let me show you the gift for the purchase. Is this Whisper in the Garden collection. These are like samples of the fragrances, and let me see. This is the collection of Whispers in the Garden. These are all the samples. Let me tell you what is in this sample collection. The Whisper of Admiration, Whispers of Guidance, Whisper of Enlightenment, Whisper of Innocence, Whisper of Strength, Whispers of Time, and Whisper of Truth. And all these, I think, are extract de Perfume. Wow. And these are the samples. I'm gonna try them on if I like some, and if I like one in special, I'm going to probably get it in the future. I'm really happy because I really want to try and smell fragrances from this house, more fragrances from this house. Right now that the fragrance is warming in my neck, I can smell the vanilla and also the caramel more than the fruity part. I think the fruity part fade away, and that was at the very beginning, and now that is warming up here, I can smell the vanilla with the caramel. So I can say when it's drying down, or maybe we are in the middle phase of the fragrance, I can feel the wisp of the vanilla and the caramel. I like it. I hope I like it a lot so I can wear it more often. Right now, the first impression is very positive, but you know, sometimes the first impression is good, but when it dries down, it becomes something different on your skin. But right now, I'm liking what I'm smelling. Well, and that's it for this first impression video of Minnie Mouse from House of Sillage. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!